Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example based on order of operation. So here you can see how to solve this type of question. First of all, we simplify the exponent. So here 5 minus 2, 2 minus 1 is 1 and power 2. So first of all, we simplify the inside the round bracket and now we simplify the power. 5 minus 2, 1 to the 2, 1 1 the 1. Okay, so here 1 multiply 1 power 2. Okay, so now 5 minus 2 multiply 1 is 2 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So 3 is final answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. If you are new, not watching previous video, so visit on playlist beginners order of operation for beginners in JWR Academy.